In this video, we will be discussing how you can fix if your Chime payment has canceled automatically. First is to do this. Address the underlying issue simply by retrying the payment with the merchant. For recurring payments, you can contact the merchant first to update your payment information or cancel the authorization entirely. This is the most reliable method. You can also try to stop recurring ACH transfers from your side using the Chime app by going to the Movies section, selecting Set up recurring transfers, and tapping Delete on the relevant transfer. Now, if that doesn't solve anything, contact Chime support if needed. You can contact them using the Chime app. Just chat with member services directly or call them using this number. That's how you can fix if your Chime payment has canceled automatically, and thank you for listening.